Why are we recording?
Because I can tell you that.
All right. What day is today? What's today's date?
Number 2.
What? What's today's date?
It's the... I don't know.
It's the 28th/29th of October, and there's like a blizzard outside. The powers went out.
What? When did that happen?
It happened at like 9 o'clock.
Oh yeah, we were playing Just Dance.
Every time we tried to play it, the power would go out.
Yep.
It was not cool.
It was actually. Then we played Barbies.
Yeah, I got to play with Barbies. They were all homosexual. The girls played with the girls had
Yeah,
sex
they were
with the
weird.
girls,
And Austin
Austin Powers had sex with Giant Ken.
Giant Ken with the brown hair and the weird.
We have nothing to do. Oh, I just like coming out of the darkness. I come out of the darkness.
Whoa. Ready? 1.
We're so excited. Tomorrow we get to shop for costumes.
Whoa, I made it brighter. Sorry. Sorry. Yay, we're gonna get our costume back.
You've got a
candle.
And now we
A
can
candlelight. Oh my god, my shirt.
Oh my god. Today we danced around.
Smells good.
Today we danced around in costumes. But not Halloween costumes.
I was a French maid.
I was a flower
She
princess.
was a flower princess. Yep. What were you?
What? I said it.
This is my natural form. Oh, you made it dark. Come on, Flame.
Sorry.
Wake up. It's weird. Why does it make it bright?
I don't know. That's so weird.
Magic.
What are you gonna be for Halloween?
A giant penis.
Yes. If you really get that, that'd be so funny.
Oh, yeah. It would be fun.
I'm either gonna be Harley Quinn or what was the other thing? Not Lady Gaga. I can see a lint on your finger.
I know.
Or maybe Glinda.
Yeah. Wait, no, that's next year.
Oh,
No, I'm gonna be maybe Batman. Depends what we see. Or I'm gonna be Rapunzel. Just kidding, we're not gonna find that. Or I'll be Snow White or Belle or something retarded. Probably Belle if anything because she has brown hair. Oh my god, what?
We tried making a handshake. It did not work out. Pascal's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
I know. You know what I like to say to people?
What?
I like calling them my flower because of that movie. And she's like, I'll see you in a bit, my flower. You know? She calls her a flower. Sweet. So I call my friends that. You're gonna get it too. Yeah. see you in a bit, my flower. That's what she says. It's beautiful. Where'd my pillow go?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm starting to clean up and you didn't help.
Oh, look, you can see us in the reflection of my glasses.
Whoa. That's really weird. That's right, you saw it. Whoa.
Whoa. We drank a lot today. A lot of caffeine. Ew.
I bet this video is really boring.
Right? It's too bad. Ew. I like cheese.
You like jizz?
Cheese.
Ew.
I like cheese. I like macaroni and cheese and grilled cheese.
I'm looking at myself.
What kind of cheese do you like?
I like no cheese at all. Fuck. Yeah. Don't get your hair in the flames. I did that when I went camping. My hair burnt off. It was disgusting. If you know what I mean.
If I stare too much, I go cross-eyed.
Don't put your hair in the fire. I'm scared of you. If you do it.
What time is it?
I don't know, but we've had this video for 7 minutes and 22 seconds. It's a long time. It's a long video.
Not really.
What?
Ready?
Move it to side to side to side side. Whoa. It's magic.
Let's play rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. What do you do with your hand?
Paper, scissors, shoot. Damn
I
it!
win, bitch.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Damn!
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Fuck. You knew my trick. Or you just guessed. Either way you won. The third time. But I won 2 times, so I won anyways. I 2 out of 3. It's usually how it is. Mamacita.
Can hide my face.
You're creepy. Summer's night. Candle. If you spill the canned juice, I might kill you. What are you doing?
I'm making different faces.
I didn't even notice. Jerry, you went too quick.
Okay, I'm done with that.
Flicker. My knicker. Snicker. You're short.
I'm a giant.
Split it up.
I wonder if anyone's fingers can actually go all the way down.
I bet someone who
Mine
can do
are
the
so
splits
close.
good.
Ow! It hurts.